Who says that miracles don't happen? Who says that? Very recently, a miracle has happened there in Libya. You know, it is a Hajj season, and Muslims from across the world, they are traveling to Harman Sharif and for the purpose of Hajj. A flight from Tripoli, Libya, was ready to carry its passengers to KSA Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, Harman Sharifain. One pilgrim whose name is Amr al Amr al Misri, Amr al Mahdi, Mansoor al Qazafi, it's a lengthy name. Amr al Mahdi Mansoor al Qazafi, he too was about to travel in that and he was present there at the airport. Somehow there was a bit of technical fault in his passport. Immigration staff did not allow him to travel. Did not allow him to travel. Now the aeroplane took off, but this pilgrim did not leave the airport. He kept sitting. He was very satisfied, no stress at all. He believed that he will travel to Arman Sharifan because he have to perform the Hajj over there. The aeroplane which left him there on the airport, after taking off, it developed some technical fault in it and was unable to carry on its flight. The nearest airport was the same airport from where they take off, and it landed over there. Again, he tried, and some of the people pointed out that the aeroplane had developed a technical fault because you have left him there on the airport. But now, captain of the aeroplane said that I can't do it. I cannot open the door of aeroplane now for some technical reason. The the technical fault was removed. It became flyable again, and they did take off again from the Tripoli airport. Only after few minutes they had taken off. Again it developed a technical fault, but now another one. They had no option left but to return to the same airport and land over there. Now everybody in the plane, and included the captain of the aeroplane, said, I will never ever fly now this aeroplane unless and until you do bring that pilgrim. Everybody understood the importance of this thing, and they did bring him. He boarded the aeroplane. It took off from the Tripoli airport and very comfortably, smoothly traveled along all the way from Tripoli to Jeddah, landed very safely at Jeddah. Now, everybody is taking selfies, everybody is taking photographs along with that pilgrim. Amr al Mahdi Mansoor al Qazafi, approximately 50-year-old Libyan. He has become a celebrity throughout the world, and his pictures, the news, it went viral. not within days, not within days, but within hours. Everybody across, millions of people across the world have come to see his picture and come to know that this has happened there in the Libya. He is the international celebrity. Indeed, it is a miracle. Not any way lesser than a miracle at all. So the miracle does happen and might happen at any given time.